This is the simulation for your weight on other planets. So the purpose of this activity is to distinguish between mass and weight by calculating a person's weight on different planets. So obviously I'm going to put the link to the simulation there and this video. This assignment covers mass versus weight, and there are several other links that will help you out there. And here's the equation to calculate weight. The force of gravity equals mass times the strength of gravity, and there's that little helpful triangle. So let's just go ahead and start the the simulation. So I'm just going to hit start on this. Let me just shrink this, that way we can see the whole thing. So you can see here, right? We'll assume that you have a mass of 50 kilograms. It's about a person with approximately 110 pounds on planet Earth. So we're going to tap on the planet below to see how much you would weigh on that planet. So I'm just going to go ahead and do Earth, right? So let's just go ahead and do Earth, right? So I click on Earth and it'll say, okay, if you had a mass of 50 kilograms, you would weigh 490 newtons. So that's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for newtons. So 490 newtons. So it turns green, right? Because I want to make sure that you can get these. Don't put the unit, just put the weight there. Now I'm going to go ahead and get the calculator out, because we're going to need to calculate the strength of gravity. So in order to do that, let's get our hint here. Cover up the unknown variable on the weight triangle to find the equation to use. The unknown for this problem is gravity. So we need to find that gravitational strength. So you cover up gravity, you get the weight divided by the mass. I get my calculator out. We know the weight is 490 divided by the mass, which is 50, and you get 9.8. So I get 9.8 meters per second squared. Good, right? So I know it's right. Then you just need to find a fun fact. So I have a drop-down menu here, and you can see here, this one, it's written up there. It is the home to the most intelligent and inquisitive creature in our solar system. So us, right? So that's what you're going to do. Now, based on, once you finish this table, you will have several questions that'll answer on this. So you answer questions about mass, answer questions about weight, gravity, answer questions about mass, and then there are a couple of practice problems down here in order to calculate, just looking at those different planets and distinguishing between mass versus weight. So once again, this is the simulation of your weight on other planets.